How can you uninstall computer monitoring software from your computer? Hi, my name is Angel from wolfeye.de, and I actually have written a whole article about this, how you can uninstall computer monitoring software from the computer. I will post the link below. In this video, this will be a very short video. I want to demonstrate it to you on the example of our computer monitoring software, Wolfeye Remote Screen, that you can download for free here on wolfeye.de. I have marked it here, wolfeye.de. You can download it free within a trial period. You can use it free. And basically, I will show it here how actually you don't want to use Wolfeye Remote Screen anymore. And you ask yourself, how can I uninstall and completely remove this software from my computer without letting any thing left on the computer? I will show it to you. On this computer, Wolfeye Remote Screen is installed, is running actually, is sharing already the screen. And basically, what you have to do if you want to uninstall it, go to the folder in which Wolfeye Remotes, in which you have installed or put Wolfeye Remotes, from where Wolfeye Remote Screen is running. Go there, you will see the application. Double click it so that the control window appears. You double click it and the control window will pop up. Every time you double click the application, the control window pop-ups and the software stops running. Okay, so if you wanted to continue using Wolfeye Remote Screen, you would have to click again on this green button and click again on the blue button. You had to start it again, let's say, because the moment you open the application, it stops running. But now you want to uninstall it. You want to remove it from the system completely. And for that, we have an all other computer monitoring software, and most of it, of course, or most trustworthy programs have an uninstall option, an uninstall button. Also, all employee monitoring software, all other computer monitoring software that's trustworthy, and also Wolfeye Remote Screen. So to remove it, yeah, you hit this button that says uninstall Wolfeye. You hit it. You are asked, are you sure that you want to uninstall and completely remove the software? You hit yes. And as you see, Wolfeye has removed itself. What has Wolfeye done to remove itself? It has deleted all registry entry. Wolfeye does a registry entry so that the Windows startup feature is enabled, basically. Yeah, so that it can start with Windows. And also it has deleted the application. The only thing it has not deleted is this text file where nothing is in it. You can manually delete the text file. Actually, the folder in which, this demo folder in which Wolfeye was located, has not been deleted. You can delete it manually. But that's it, basically. That's the only thing. That's it. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, or if you need help in setting up Wolfeye or in uninstalling Wolfeye, please come to our website wolfeye.de, and basically you can download and use Wolfeye for free, as you know, within a trial period. We will help you install it, but also we will help you uninstall it. Basically, it's very, very easy. We will be happy to help you. And if you go to our contact page here, you scroll down and you have either you write us an email or you contact us on WhatsApp, as you like, or you set up an installation or uninstallation support meeting with us with Google Meets, because in Google Meets we can guide you. You can share the screen, and I see your screen and I can guide you. I can go there. I can say go there, make this, do that. Yeah. So this will be no problem. Please come to our website. I will be very, very happy. Thanks. Well, let me go back and end this video.